Here I have BYD, and let me explain where you can find the driver attention warning settings and where you can disable this feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the BYD. Let's find here and select the settings. So this is this gear icon. Then from the left tab, let's select here the vehicle. Choose here from vehicle the last section, which is here the cabin perception. As you can see right here, this is the cabin perception. All right, so now as you can see, you've got here the driver attention warning. So the car uses an interior camera or steering sensor to detect if you are getting sleepy or distracted. If your eyes wander or your head starts to nod, it will beep and give you a warning on the dashboard. So you can use the sensitivity level, or you can choose the standard one. But here you can also disable this driver attention warning. Here you've got the confirmation. Let's just tap OK. But if you stop the engine and start it again, it will automatically turn on. So it's just for one drive. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.